Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. If you can make out that little rusty thing right there, it's just a steel ball. And what I'm going to try and do is pop it if I can. And I'm shooting left-handed too, so. I used to play marbles when I was little. It was a game that appealed to me. I could do most of it by myself. And I enjoyed doing it. Well, we'd carry a few marbles in our pockets. You had to have some to put in the circle. And I was trying to remember the rules of the game, but I just couldn't. Then we had one where you toss it near a line, and we played for keeps. I played for keeps. I wasn't about no funds. And since I was I was the baby of the family, and I really didn't have, people say, well, do you play board games? No, not really. I just never had a care for them. But I love my marbles. Well, I changed schools and had a pretty impressive collection of marbles that I'd gotten from my other school. Well, we'd get up there, and like I've said in the other videos, I couldn't really talk that good, so most everybody knew how the game went. I'd jump in there and, man, I'd clear out some marbles. And everybody, well, let's play for funsies. I was like, oh, no, I don't do that. And finally, they just quit playing with me. And but I had a couple steel ones. I think there was a marble called an Aggie and a cat eye. Let me know in the comments section if y'all remember. If you remember the rules, please let me know. And but it was a game I dearly loved. There was a guy who was a friend of the family. He came by to visit one time, brought his brother. Well, his brother was like a competing top 10 champion. I didn't know that. I was playing on a rug in the floor that had a little circle on it, and I was just playing with marbles, and he said, can I play with you? And this guy, he was, considerably older than me, and I was like, yeah. Well, he cleaned it out, and then he told me that and was laughing. He said, let me show you some, and he shared a lot of stuff with me to help make my game better. And but I really enjoyed playing marbles. Down in the description section, I'll have a link to a video with Clower on his getting some marbles from his brother, and I think you will like listening to that video. But if you played marbles, leave me a comment down in the comment section if you played, or I tried to look for my marbles. They're around here somewhere, but evidently I've lost my marbles. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like. Hit that subscribe button. God bless.